It actually stretches all the way back to 1984. That's when I got the first contact with the circuit boards, and I love these green, unsexy, small things.
PCBs are the backbone to any electronics that we use. I mean, you get in a car and you start your car and your dashboard lights up. That's all PCBs. Without the circuit board, you don't have your iPhone, you don't have your radio, you don't have your computer, you don't have your remote control to your TV. So PCBs are everywhere.
To make a good quality PCB, it requires a lot of efforts because we need to control the factories in details, have control over the ingoing material, over the process control in the factories, over the outgoing quality, and you need to have good control in all the steps from the design to the manufacturing.
We are very much recognized as the market leader and the company that all of our competitors aspire to be.
I think my main challenge is to keep the group together, point out the direction for everybody, and make sure also that we all follow that direction, and also make sure that we do follow our needs of our customers.
For NCAB people, they are very firm. They are tough to implement all the requests. And it's not only to push in the factory just to do something good for NCAB. We're also helping the factory or educate them to make sure we can grow together. It's kind of win-win situation. We are working like friends. We quarrel sometimes, but we are still friends.
The main difference between NCAB and our competitors is our ability to innovate in searching for the right factories, the way in which we develop factories, the way in which we support technically. We're always trying to be one step ahead.
I think the biggest challenge in my role is, of course, to keep up with the changes in the market. We get educated on new technologies, on new materials and everything, and also keeping update with what the factory can do.
The challenges I see in my role going forward are to continue to motivate my team to be part of the most successful PCB company in the world.
The attitude to solving the problem should be responsibility, patient, and evolving. And you need to be patient to working together with the factory, because sometimes if you are solving something, it is tough, and you need to go to the details to find out how it's going and to find a solution.
If there's a problem, we will fix it as soon as possible so the customer can continue the production. Then we take the discussion on whose fault it is later.
Our code of conduct guides us how we should work when it comes to human rights, environmental issues, ethical business practices, etc. And I think it's important to have this guideline so we all know that we are a fair partner and a fair employer as well.
In my thinking, the key to success for a company like NCAB, people.
The motivation is very much also to create a good team, which I think I have today with all the 230 people around the world.
When I'm away, my phone doesn't ring from the office, which I take as a compliment. People are empowered to make decisions and just get on with the job.
We have extremely good employees working for us. They are making the difference.
We value their inputs and we treat our customers and our staff in the same way. We want to be in win-win positions.
I like the management style based on values. It gives me the freedom to find ways to reach my targets and our company's targets, as long as I stand with the values for responsibility, quality first, and strong relationships.
Say that NCAB sells sleep. That's what we are providing to our customers. They should feel comfortable going home in the evening, knowing that, all right, we have this problem, but we know that NCAB is on the case. They can sleep very good at night, and that's what we're doing. When something happens, we will take care of it. And to be honest, that's our aim, our target.
think we still want to be the number one wherever we are. I want factories that want to work with the brand. I want customers that want to work with the brand.
I want NCAB in 10 years to be known as the biggest PCB producer wherever we are.
If we're gonna stay ahead of our competitors, we need to grow. If you stand still, you die. It's that simple.
To be number one, not like to be the biggest, but to be the best.